Two identical small charged spheres, each having mass m, hang in equilibrium as shown in the figure. The length of each string is L, and the angle made by any string with the vertical is theta. So find the magnitude of the charge on each sphere. So both the spheres have equal charge. So diagram is not given. I'll give you the diagram. Okay. So there are two strings of equal length. So the length of each string is L. So two spheres carrying same charge have been tied to the ends of the strings, and the two strings are suspended from the same support, from the same point. So now, because of electrostatic force of repulsion, so they deflect, and because of gravity, electrostatic force and tension, so they deflect by certain angle theta and comes to equilibrium. So if you account for equilibrium of one sphere, it is enough. Because of what one sphere will be in equilibrium, so because of the same thing, the other sphere also will be in equilibrium. So if we consider one sphere, so forces acting on this sphere will be electrostatic force of repulsion, tension T, and here mg vertically downward. Say the total separation between these two spheres is d in equilibrium. They gave the length of the string only. So you can write d is equal to 2l sine theta. Because d by 2 equal to l sine theta, d equal to 2l sine theta. D by 2, this is d by 2. D by 2 is equal to L sine theta. So total D will be equal to 2L sine theta. Okay. So if we consider one sphere, tension T will be acting like this. Mg will be acting vertically downward. Okay, now electrostatic force of repulsion will be like this. You can resolve this tension into two components. Why you have to resolve tension into two components? Tension is not along horizontal or vertical direction. So T cos theta will be vertical component, T sin theta will be horizontal component. So now you can also draw the free body diagram of that sphere having only components of forces. This is T cos theta, this is mg, and this is T sin theta, and this is electrostatic force of repulsion. So for equilibrium, T sin theta will be equal to Fe. T cos theta should be equal to mg. Upward force should be equal to downward force, and leftward force should be equal to rightward force. So when you take the ratio of these two, you will get tan theta equal to Fe divided by mg. So tan theta will be equal to q square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught d square mg. So when you substitute electrostatic force, so what is the separation? D. So electrostatic force of repulsion will be that. So now q square will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught d square mg tan theta. But d is not given, L is given. So d equal to L, 2L sin theta if we substitute. So will be equal to root over, so d value if we substitute we will get 16 pi epsilon naught L square mg tan theta into sin square theta. So this is the correct option.